So first, hi guys, my name is Immanuvel. I am from Tamil Nadu. I have found Jspiders and from incubation batch. So I am incubation batch. That's why I came to Jspiders. Like Jspiders is one of my pivotal point of my entire career because Jspiders has changed me for everything. Why? Because I'm saying this, I'm changed it more technically and then socially. And then I want to thank every trainer, specifically Deepa Shingan for his school. These are like they are the most pillars of the Jspiders. Like they are the way they are teaching, the way they are making the students very informative. And then I want to mainly thank Council for giving the grooming classes and assigning the placements, everything. Like he's been the one of my pivotal part of my entire Jspiders. And then I want to thank Raju sir for the internship class because he is one of the most important guy, and then he's more dedicated to his job. Like I want to thank mainly Raju sir for the internship class. And then I want to thank every if I miss something, I'm sorry. I want to thank every trainer here.